Are you a discouraged new YouTuber? Hi, my name is Dave, and I'm here to help you. I started this new channel so that I can walk alongside new YouTubers just like you, so you can see what I do, learn from my methods, and grow your channel as quickly as possible, and celebrate together when we become monetized. Today, I want to talk about adding a rocket booster to your channel to get more views. Maybe you've been getting 1 view or 5, or maybe even 20, but your videos never get 100 or more. Let me show you a way to boost your videos so you can get way more views. You're probably already familiar with it. You've probably watched many of them. They're called YouTube Shorts. They're formatted in portrait, rather than landscape view, and they're usually a minute or shorter. Due to YouTube's updated algorithm, YouTube Shorts are hugely popular. That's an understatement. They are so huge that if you're not producing YouTube Short videos on your channel, you're missing out big time in both view and subscribers. If you check out my channel, you'll see that I've begun uploading one short each day. I also upload one video every 2 days. Check out the views on my shorts compared to my regular videos. Just to compare, check out the views and subscribers on my videos and channel once a week and you'll see the difference. A huge channel that is already successful has dedicated subscriber fans who will watch anything the creator uploads. That's just not the case with small channels like yours and mine. And that's exactly why I made a new YouTube channel. So you can see what works for me and know that it can work for you. Making shorts are a lot easier and less time consuming than making a regular video because they're so short, and you don't have to make thumbnails for them. So make a plan to write a script and begin making shorts this week. It'll be like adding a rocket booster to your channel. Oh, and please like and consider subscribing so that you can watch more videos I upload about growing small YouTube channels just like yours. And one last thing. There's an affiliate link in the description below. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel success, I highly recommend you check it out. My name is Dave, and I really appreciate you watching this video today. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video coming out tomorrow.